Hello, welcome back to Inspire Art Linkings. Today we are going to draw a beautiful beach scene reflected in our sunglasses. Grab your pencils, pens, and colors and let's get started. First, let's sketch the sunglasses. Draw two large oval shapes for the lenses. Make sure they are slightly tilted from a more dynamic look. Connect the lenses with a curved line to form the bridge and add the arms of the sunglasses extending out from the sides. Feel free to get creative with the frame style. You can make them classic, avatar, or even a funny shape. Step number 2. Now inside each lens we are going to draw the beach scene or any other natural scenery designs. Start by outlining a horizontal line slightly above the middle of each lens. This will separate the sky from the ocean. Step number 3. Adding the beach and ocean. Below the horizontal line, sketch gentle waves to represent the ocean. You can add a few lines for wave closer to the shore. For the beach, draw a curved line near the bottom of each lens, indicating the sandy shore. Step number 4. To give our beach scene more character, let's add a few palm tree. Draw the trunk curving slightly and add the palm leaves fanning out from the top. You can place one tree in each lens or make one larger tree spanning both lenses. Adding a few birds flying in the sky and some beach details like sun, umbrella, or beach ball if you like. You can also draw the buildings or any other scene in the sunglasses. Once you are happy with your sketch, it's time to ink. Now for the fun part, coloring. Use shades for blue. Use shades of blue for the sky and ocean and sandy tone for the beach. For the final touch, add some highlights and shadows to give your drawing depth and dimension. You can use a white gel pen for highlight and slightly darker shade for your base colors for the shadows. And there you have it, a stunning beach scene reflected in the sunglasses. Hope you enjoy this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own artwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more drawing tutorial. From Inspire Art Linking, see you next time. Thank you so much.